So today I'll be telling you about a number of things to do before calling for a repair guide regarding your washing machine. First, if the washing machine is not powering on, make sure that it's on. Then confirm, is it powering on? That is one. Second, if the machine is not feeding with water, make sure the tap is on. This is off, this is on. It also depends with the tap you are using. Third, if it's leaking, make sure the soap detergent, it depends with where it's also leaking from. Is it leaking from the top, the soap detergent? Is it leaking from the gasket, or is it leaking from the bottom part? Or is it leaking from the filter part? So make sure you check where it's leaking from. So those are the tips you need to consider before calling for a repair guy. It also depends with the problem the machine it has. Then the other thing, if the washing machine is feeding with water and emptying the drum at the same time, so check the pipe. Is it on the floor, or it has made a U-turn before it enters the drainage part? So those are the most important things you need to check before calling for a repair guy or a repair technician. Well, thank you for watching. I'll catch you on the next one. Make sure you subscribe for more videos.